It's your girl Marsha with Talks with Marsha, and I'm back with a new video.
Go get your charger. You about to miss the show. I'll wait. Much better. And before you leave, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get that notification.
Anyway, I know what y'all talk about. Hold on, wait, sis. We just saw you in the last unboxing video with that same t-shirt on. Yes. Same t-shirt. Same day. Just a couple hours later. But anyway, like the title says, we are going to do some nails. But anyway, I will be using my Kiara Skye Jelly Tips. These are the long coffin. You guys see me do a fill with these. This time you're going to see me do some type of polygelish nails. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Kiara Skye nail tips, and I'm going to use them as if they are a dual form, but not really on some dual form. They're going to stay on my nails. Like I said in the last video, peep my girl, Slay by J Nails. I think that's her Instagram page, but it's gonna be down below. But go check her out. She did hers in a certain way. I'm probably going to take some tricks from her and make it my own. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm also going to be using blue and purple polygel. And this brand is called Vrenmol. I had to figure it out because I said it wrong in the last video. I think I called it Vrenmol because I completely silenced the V because I couldn't figure it out. So I was like, I know I'm saying this wrong. So I had to do some research. So it is Vrenmol. I think I'm saying it right. And then it didn't come with any white, clear, or any polygel. So I am using the Model 1 polygel. I'm going to use white. I'm going to try to do like a marble look. So we're gonna do that. And then I want to kind of incorporate some butterflies in there. So we're going to see how it all goes. Go ahead and stay tuned. And look, these lips is popping. If you didn't know, now you know. KML Cosmetics, honey. This is Toffee with the berry lip liner. Right now, I'm having a sale on my website, 30% off with a promo code KML. Well, KM Love, which is KML, whatever. Use that in the checkout for anything that is in the lips collection. So when you go on the website, www.kml-cosmetics.com, when you go on the website and you click the lips, click lips, anything that pops up under lips is on sale with the 30% promo code. The lip essentials, which is the lip scrub, lip oil, and lip balm, is not included. Okay? But anyway, go ahead and check it out. This is all me. And let's get into some nails. We're not here to talk about makeup, but we are here to talk about some nails, okay? But anyway, let's get to it. First things first, I am going to prep my nails. I am going to push my cuticle back and clean it with my e-file before I even get started with the tips. I'm only going to show one hand so you guys get to see the raw first time trying it. And then the second hand, it was much quicker because I learned from all the mistakes that I did with the first hand before I did the second hand. So I am dusting my nails off. I made sure I had all the oil taken off, filed it, smoothed it, and everything. And then we're going to get to it. So first things first is I put all of the tips on the tacky so that I can get it started with the base coat. So I'm going to use my e-file to get the shine off of the inside of the nail. That way the polygel sticks to it better. I don't know if it's important or something that needs to be done. It's just I'm used to doing it like that, especially when I'm putting it directly on my nail. So I don't know if in fact it helps with just having the polygel on it and then applying the polygel directly to my nails, but I did it anyway because it's just a habit that I have. So I am also going to file around the cuticle area of the tips to make sure that it has a good fit on my nail bed. I've done it before where I've just put it on and it feels uncomfortable. I don't know if it kind of slides under your skin around your cuticle, and it feels uncomfortable. It feels like you have a splinter under your cuticle. It's not a good feel. So I put some of the builder gel and also put the holographic butterflies. That way it can have this encapsulated look when I add the polygel on top of it. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm moving the glitter around the way that I want it to look. And then I'm going to place it under the UV light, the UV light, just to cure it. And then the next step you're going to see is me applying the polygel. So now it's polygel time. So the Vrenmol did not come with any white polygel or clear polygel. It was all color. So I did have to use my Model 1 polygel. So this is the first nail that I did. So I placed it all around, just little beads of it. And I did use 99% rubbing alcohol as my slip solution because none of my kits came with a slip solution. So I used that and kind of pat it down and moved it around so it can kind of have like a marble, like they just blend in or seep into each other. And that's how I did that look. I'm going to cure the first one so I can see how it looks, and then we're going to go on with the next one because this is my first time doing it, so I wanted to see if I was doing it right before I did all 5 fingers, and then it didn't come out the way I wanted it. So I had a lot of trial and error with the first one that I did, well, the first 5 that I did, and then the second one was like a breeze. Like I didn't go one by one with each nail. I just put them all on the tacky and followed the steps that I did. Used a little less polygel than the first time, and then it was seamless. The second time was seamless, but I wanted you guys to see the first, like how this happened. Now, another thing that I did notice with the first nail that I did not go under the nail and pack it down. So when I put the tip on my nail and pushed it down and cured it, it kind of made a bubble under my nail that I had to e-file it down. I corrected that with all the other nails that I did. So I like the way it looked, so I moved on to the next. So I'm going to be quiet and let you watch because there's really not much that I need to say besides what I said with the first nail. So enjoy the rest of the video and let me know what you think in the comment section. Have you tried this method before? Have you tried this polygel? What are some tips and tricks that you do when you do your own nails? If you have any questions because you want to do your own nails, feel free to drop it in the comment section. finger, I tried to do something different. I put the Polygel on the Kiara Skye gel tip, and then I cured it. So I cured it, and then I wanted to put it over my nail as if it was a press-on with the Polygel already cured. And that was an epic fail. It made it hard to where it would not bend, or I guess conform to my nail bed. So I tried to drill the Polygel off, and then it kind of was like poofy. It didn't look right. It didn't look right. I probably didn't do it right, and I eventually took it off and had to do a new nail and put it on there. So this method did not really work with curing the Polygel and then applying it on your nail as if it's a press-on. I'm pretty sure you can do it like that. I just don't know how to do it, and it didn't come out right for me. So that's what you guys saw right there when I put it in to cure before I put it on my nails. Right, lastly is the top coat. I am using the Kiara Skye top coat that came in my Kiara Skye gel tip kit. I like this top coat because regardless of what color the nail is, it goes on crystal clear. I've used top coats before where it has like a cloudy film or it turns yellow after a couple days. I have not had this issue with this top coat. I'm pretty sure there are better top coats out there, but right now that's what I got, that's what I use. So once I was done with the top coat, I used my Melody Susie LED lamp to cure the nails, and this is how my left hand looked after I was done, and this is how both hands looked once I was done with both of them.